Hello everyone, welcome back.
So it is important to know that today's video is not a sponsored video. Today we are going to be reviewing HelloFresh, which is a meal service. We just wanted to try it out for a week to see how good it was and kind of give our honest opinion of how good it is. We signed up for one box with 4 meals in it. The first meal is diced pork carnitas tacos. Looks really good. We also have creamy chive salmon, sounds great. Some kind of steak. I don't know how to say that first word. Bavette steak and sherry shallot sauce. And Gouda pork burgers. So that is what we're signed up for. So this video is going to take place over 4 nights, 4 different meals. Today though, Tessie decided that she wants tacos. So that is what we're going to make for our very first day of HelloFresh. But I'm going to be making it because
I'm pinned down by a little bean.
he's sleeping. So we got this package earlier today, and so we've already opened it and put everything in the fridge. It comes in this massive green box, and inside the green box you have this huge thermal bag, you could say, I guess, with giant ice packs in it to keep everything cool. It's also really nice because all 4 meals came in its own separate bag, labeled, and everything I need is in this bag, so I don't have to go digging around for everything. So that right there is nice. And then it comes with these cards that shows you what your meal looks like, and then on the back side of them it has the recipe and the steps of what you need to do to make hopefully your food look like this. So now we just need to follow the steps and get cooking. Okay, so I don't want to bore you with all the steps of actually going through and making the stuff. I got all my stuff diced up, thrown in here with the meat that is now seasoned to perfection. We should be good to go. Does it smell good so far?
It smells amazing.
Smells
So
good.
excited.
So now the real test of actually eating it to see how good it tastes. So on this card it says that it takes a total of 30 minutes to cook this meal that I just finished cooking. It took me a little bit longer because I was filming a little bit of it, but I think if I took away the camera, I would be pretty close to 30 minutes. There's the picture of what they're supposed to look like. There's mine.
Pretty dang close.
Pretty dang close. Am I right?
Yeah. Really?
Day 1 was a success. Easy, yummy. On to day 2. Day 2, creamy chive salmon. So it's the same as yesterday where we have 6 simple steps. It's gonna go a lot quicker today because we got 2 hands.
4 hands.
4 hands.
Because
2
someone
people.
is sleepy.
Yeah, so we'll be able to whip it out a lot faster and eat. So let's do it. So one thing that I'm noticing, and also noticed yesterday, is that for these recipes they do expect you to have stuff like salt and pepper, butter, and oil, which is fine. I mean, most people have that stuff in the house always. It would be awkward if you didn't, because you wouldn't be able to do what the recipe says. So it is going a lot quicker this time. We've got our potatoes wedged. We've got our salmon cooking. We've got our veggies. What is this, zucchini?
3 a.m. and the pot's still stirring. For all I know, she won't simmer till the morning. Going round and round till she gets away.
It's actually really good. The sauce makes it taste really good. This is the one meal that Tessie is nervous to eat from the 4 that we ordered because she doesn't like fish. But she said it's good to try new things.
The sauce really does help the fishiness of it, because that's why I don't like fish, because it tastes fishy. I would still rather have tacos than this, but this is still good.
So day 2 was a success. Super yummy, super good, super easy. And it went a lot quicker because we were both pitching in on the steps to get it done. On to day 3. Meal number 3.
Day 3.
Gouda pork burgers. This is the meal that she is most excited about. Look at that. It looks fantastic.
It's hard, the dish sticks together. You say the cooking's done, but it never ends.
One thing that I've noticed about this, whenever we cook our own meals, most of the time, because it's only us 2, we have a ton of leftovers. So we make a meal and then we have dinner for the next day because of how much food it made. With this, it's nice because it's a perfect serving for 2 people, but that can also be a bad thing because it's so yummy, but you don't have leftovers for the next day.
For the past 2 days, I've had to make my own lunch because I don't have any leftovers.
It's really smoky, and our fire alarm just went off. It's because of these pork patties. Oh well, they're smelling good and they're looking good. So remember, here is what it's supposed to look like, and here, got your burger and wedges. Let's take a bite. That's pretty good. We had these same wedges yesterday. Today we left them in for longer so that they'd be crispier and they taste way better.
Another success.
Meal number 3 out of 10, what would you give it? An 8.
8.5 maybe.
So that leaves us with one final meal. Meal number 4 of our HelloFresh box. Today is the last meal of our HelloFresh box, and we are having steak and sherry shallot sauce. This one also takes the longest to make out of all of them. This one says it takes 45 minutes. The other ones only took like 30 minutes. This is what it was supposed to look like. This is what it looks like. I think it's pretty good though. Everything, the potatoes are really good. They have that Parmesan on top. Beans are great. Okay, so here is my overall opinion and review of HelloFresh. So just to recap, we got a box of 4 meals. That box would have cost probably around $80. $80 seems like a lot. People that are eating out every day because they don't have the time to cook, like this is a good alternative. With that said, it was super good. Like it was tasty, tasty, tasty.
I will be making those tacos
Yeah,
again.
she kept a couple of the cards to have the ingredients and kind of the steps of how to make it because she liked them so much. Overall, I would give the whole HelloFresh a thumbs up because it is good and it's a good service. So I liked it.
Check it out.
Check it out if it's something that interests you.
So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit that big red subscribe button.
See ya.
See ya.